Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel and time to talk tweaks. So for those who already using the new jailbreak on the unc0ver jailbreak on iOS 13 up to 13.3, and for the most people who using the Checkra1n jailbreak starting from iOS 12.4 up to iOS 13.3.1. For those who already using the jailbreak, here is some top new jailbreak that I want to share with you guys. As always guys, before I'm gonna start today's video, let me asking you guys to give the video a big thumbs up. Also make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you will be notified always whenever I release a new Cydia tweaks video. Okay, so let's go ahead right now to start talking about today's tweaks, and number one on my list will be the Nori. This will be about your dark and the light mode. So if you want to switch on or off right away from your CC, it is available here. What about if you under the settings, how you can do that? So if you want to bring it down or slide it down just like that, this will be allow you to turn or toggle off the dark mode, light mode, just like that. Let me show you guys once again on the settings, just like that. Once again, just like that. This is how you change the dark mode into the light mode from the settings, just like that. So once you download the tweak, that tweak doesn't have anything to configure. Just go ahead, download the tweak. After you complete the downloading, go ahead, respring your device, and once you go into your settings, you want to launch or turn off the dark mode, just go ahead and swipe down just like that. This will be allow you to turn off your dark mode if you want the light mode, just like that. Once again guys, this one will be called the Nori. Let's move on right now to talking about the other Cydia tweak, and the other one will be called the settings widgets. This will be for your settings as well. And if I go ahead right now and navigate to my under the settings here, you guys can take a look what I have here at the top. This is the my battery here. If I tap on it, and this is my storage right there. This is the both the widgets will be at the top on my settings. So once you download the tweak, go ahead first of all and enable the tweak, the transparent background if you want to toggle, untoggle that, and the widget height if how much you want it is going to be up to you. So you can use the slider right there. So you have two different kind of design of widget. You have widget 1, widget 2. You can customize those. So you might see right now, if I want to go back right now here to showing you guys, I have the battery, so I can switch that into other widget if I want to. For example, I can switch to my storage, or if I want to switch into my Wi-Fi, and the same thing with my other widget. So widget number 2, I can switch that into my battery, health, or the storage, or the Wi-Fi, the same thing. If you want to make some kind of configuration stuff, you want to change something, you might need to tap on the apply here at the top. This will be apply all the changes for you, and you will be good to go. Let me show you guys once again how that will be work, and this is what the tweak it's all about. Bring those the both widgets will be at the top. And if you guys looking to download this one, as I told you guys, this one will be called the settings widgets. Moving right now to talking about the other Cydia tweak that I want to share with you guys in today's video, and let me talking about the multiple. You can see right now here that I already, and still I'm using my floating deck here, and it works just fine with my setup here. So if I want to swipe on it, I can switch into my audio, my battery here, my watch, and some other stuff just like that. I can just tap and hold to lock all the apps on my deck here, and this is what the tweak it's all about. If we go ahead right now and navigate to under the settings, the first thing that you need to do to enable the tweak, the user guide here. If you wanted to read about the tweak, how is the tweak will be work, you can read the guide here. This is going to be for you. Select the widgets, which is the one that I already shown you, which you can choose your music, you can choose your battery, your activity, something like that. You can choose from there. And also you have the gesture here. So if you tap on it, this will be giving you three different kind of configuration, which is swipe up, down, swipe left, right, the double tap. This will be for that gesture. And the animation here, so you have up, down, left, right, and the fade. The one that I use, it's a fade. And also we have the animation duration here, the slider, if you want to adjust that way. Also we have another section if you want the long press to lock the DAC, which is the one that I show you already. Hide the lock icon if you want to untoggle that. And also we have another section if you want to refresh rate, so you can keep that. It's going to be up to you, but I keep it on default or never. And also we have another section to rotate widgets instead of refreshing. If you want to toggle that and toggle that the way you like, but I highly recommend you guys to read every single thing before you toggle any kind of section. Also we have another section if you want to talking about the applications here, or the talking about the normal page dots position. Also we have another section for hide DAC page labels, and if you want to hide page dots, and also the dark theme, you can toggle and toggle each single one if you like to. And also we have other section if you want to dock icon limit, if you want to toggle that. And we have another section for the music widget if you want to, the work corner reduce, if you want to toggle that. Once you toggle this one from here, this will be allow you how much you want it if you want to play with this one. And we have the application to open, how much you want to open it. If no playing, or you want to tap here, this will be allow you and show you if you want to place this one with the App Store or the App Music, Spotify, and so on, even with YouTube. So I keep it with YouTube. Okay, so if we go back right now here, we have the show music road, so you can toggle and toggle that. And also we have the other section will be for my battery widget, so I can keep or remove the percent inside the battery icon. You can toggle those and toggle those the way you like. The last section will be for your weather widgets, so you can tap on here. This will be allow you and giving you different kind of customized stuff. We have couple ones here, you can choose your favor. Once you're done, you need to make sure to respring your device, so your device will be take the effect. Now there's one thing that I want to just giving you guys attention on it, and that will be the gesture. So if you want that tweak to work with a floating DAC, because once I download the tweak, it didn't work. So I go back into my floating DAC here and I tap on it, and there is one of the section will be for your gesture. You can take a look, the DAC gesture, I toggled that off. So you need to make sure if you want to download the multiple and you want that tweak to work with a floating DAC, if you download the floating DAC tweak, just make sure from the floating DAC tweak, go to configuration. You need to make sure to turn off the DAC gesture. Go back and you need to go to multiple here, the same tweak that I told you guys about it. And you can right now select any kind of widget and you can go into the gesture here, and then you can keep it, for example, on swipe up down. You can choose the swipe left right or double tap on it. I told you already that I download the floating DAC right now, and once the developer he says he released the new update, which is will be work with the floating DAC, so I can swipe right now, and then you can take a look right now how smooth that is and nice to work and match everything on my iPhone. This is what the tweak will be provide you with, and once again, this one, if you're looking to download it in your iDevice, this one will be called the multiple. Moving right now to talking about the other one. The other one is going to be a mask or a theme. It's going to be for your settings. If I want to go back right now here, you guys can take a look for those, the orange dots that I have here. The most of the things in your settings, if you want to change it to that style, go ahead and download the EW1. This is the settings icon. So once you download this one, you need two different things. One of them is going to be if you have the snowboard, then you need to download the snowboard icon extension. If you don't run the snowboard in your iDevice, then you might use the iThemer. So if you use the iThemer, it's going to be work. But if you're running the snowboard, you need to make sure to download the snowboard icon extension. And this is the style how that will be looks like. How we will be apply that. So once you download the tweak, go ahead right now to the snowboard. As I told you guys, in my case here, I download the snowboard. Go ahead and tap on it and select the theme from in there. This is the one that I told you guys about it, which is the settings icon or the EW settings icon. So once you tap on enable, this is how it's gonna be looks like. Let me show you guys once again. If I go back, just like that, this is how is the icon or the some of the icon inside your settings will be just like that. So once again guys, if you guys looking to make your settings different with that a mask or the icon theme inside your settings, go ahead and download the EW1 settings icon. Let's move on right now to talking about the other one, and I have another widget that I want to share with you guys. Let me just go ahead right now and go right away into the Xen HTML. So let me just tap on it here and let me choose the lock screen, and let me just stop here right now, and the name for this one will be the NotchSquare. If I go ahead and tap on it, you guys can take a look. It's kind of like a iPhone design. It comes with a notch, and this is the most of the things comes with that widget once you want to download it in your iPhone, of course, if you're using the Xen HTML. If we go ahead right now and tap on the settings of that widget, let's see what we have. So you will be able to change or toggle the color, and there is some other stuff like the city name or the language or the time color. You will be able to change that. The today color, you can change that, name, unname, and the other customized stuff for the temp here, for example, and even for the skill. I tried to play with the skill, which will didn't give me any kind of other skill, so I highly recommend you guys to keep it on skill number 1. If you want to make any kind of like configuration from here, you need to make sure to tap on save here at the top, and this is how is that widget will be looks like once you want to download that widget in your jailbroken device. Once again guys, this one will be called the NotchSquare. Anyway guys, this is the most tweak that I have for you guys in today's video, in today's update. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys enjoy most the tweaks that I show you already. So if you guys like the video, make sure to give the video a big thumbs up. Also make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you will be notified always whenever I release a new Cydia tweaks video. Catch you with the next one. Peace out.